Okay. So good morning students. There are some basics which some students what you call don't know. Most of the students know, but some of them will struggle in doing all this. So simultaneously I'll be saying and I'll be writing. Okay, I'll say these also afterwards and these also. First we'll see for addition and subtraction how we'll do. For example, take randomly, you can take some numbers. Say you can take one even number, one odd number, like that. For example, say 6 and 1 you take. For example, plus 6 plus 1 will be 7. For example, instead of plus 6 plus 1 you take minus 6 minus 1, you will get what? Minus 7. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll take plus 6 minus 1. Okay, if there is no sign beside 6, it means that a plus sign is there here also, first one also. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, if minus 6 plus 1 is there, what will it will become? It will become minus 5. So here I want to mention one important thing. Whenever two numbers have the same sign, like plus plus and minus minus, okay, then we have to do the addition actually. And anyhow, whatever the sign is there, here plus is there, so we have to keep plus. And whenever you have the same sign, anyhow we have to do addition, and whatever the sign is there, that sign you have to keep. 6 and 1 addition is 6 plus 1 is 7. Of course, after getting the answer 7, you have to write minus 10, right? Next, whenever you have different signs, see here plus 6 and minus 1, whenever we have two different signs, that time, okay, we have to do subtraction, that is nothing but 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, then you have to keep largest number sign. Largest number is positive, so you have to write positive. So this will become subtraction. Okay, now minus 6 plus 1, so two different signs are there. So what we will do, we will write the largest number sign. Anyhow, since two different signs are there, you will do subtraction. Okay, so that is the reason we got 6 and 1, minus 6 plus 1, so two different signs, we did subtraction, that is 6 minus 1 is 5. First you write the answer 5. For example, when you are writing, you can write like this, 6 minus 1 minus 6 plus 1, so two different signs are there, so do subtraction. 6 minus 1, okay, what will be the answer? 5. Okay, first write 5. Then out of the two numbers, whichever is the greatest sign, okay, means 6 is larger than 1, so larger number sign you have to keep, so you have to keep minus. In that way you have to do. Now coming to the next, already I wrote these. This first one, see, generally we say plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus, we say generally. So to make you understand that, I took some examples. See, I took plus 5 and plus 3, so we got the plus 15. And I took minus and minus, that is minus 5 and minus 3, we got again plus 15. Okay, so whenever you have two same signs, here you will get plus sign. And whenever you have, okay, only means different signs, only one minus, like that, then what will happen, you will get a negative number. See, minus into plus is minus and plus into minus minus, means whenever you have one negative, you will get negative only. So that is the meaning. And whenever you have same signs, you will get plus sign. See here, 5 into 3 is 15 and minus 5 into minus 3 is 15. Why? Both signs are, when you multiply same signs, then you will get positive sign. And only when one negative number, if you multiply, then you will get negative sign. So this is the thing. Now for example, some students will struggle for factorization also, and what do you call, factorization means writing one algebraic expression as a product of two numbers. So what we will do, we will write this 64x, whatever the question given is, factorize 64x square minus 49y square. For example, now what you will do, see, when you say algebraic identity or formula, the meaning is the same. So 64x whole square you can write as 8x whole square. So how, you know, if the square will go inside like this, 2, it will become 8 square and x square, means the square will go for both the numbers. So it will become what, again if you multiply the square inside the bracket, again you will get the quotient back, 64x square you will get. So in that way we have to arrange. Okay, now 49y square also you have to arrange in that way. So 2, when the 2 will go inside the power, so what will happen, it will become 7 square, like this. I will say you 7 square and y square. So 7 square is 49 and this is y square. So in that way you are right. Now whatever the number in the brackets is there, term in the bracket, that you have to take it as a, and here it is b. So now our a is 8x and our b is 7y, right? So according to the formula, that is nothing but algebraic identity, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So now the question is 64x square, okay, here no need to write the brackets actually, 64x square minus 49y square is equal to 8x whole square you can write, means it means that you are writing this, okay, you are writing this as a square minus b square properly. So this is x, okay, I'm writing it a little proper, and square also I'll write a little bigger so that you can see it properly. So 8x whole square minus 7y whole square. So it will become a plus b into a minus b. So in that way. So even factorization you can do another way also. What you know is, for example, you take one question. The question is to factorize. You can take x square minus 7x plus 12 is there, for example. What I will do is, we have to multiply. See here, beside x no coefficient is there, means this is 1 is there. So this 12 and 1 you have to multiply. So 12 and this 1x square you have to multiply. So okay, 1x square, of course, see regarding x square I'll say, but first of all you multiply the number 12 1 12. So we have to take factors of 12 in such a way so that you will get 7. See, for example, if you take 6 to your 12, okay, but 6 if you add also, or 6 if you subtract also, 6 minus 2, or minus 6 minus 2 if you do also, whatever the way you want to do, you do also, you won't get 7. For example, 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 minus 2 is 4, minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So in that way. So what you have to do, factors of 12 you can take 12 1 12, right? So what you do, factors of 12 you take 4 3 ja. Now I'll take, say 4 3 ja, I'll take here. Now 4 3 ja I will take. If I take 4 3 ja, okay, I'm getting 12, correct only. But how I should get minus 7? So what I will do, minus 4 minus 3 I will write. So then I will get minus 12, right? That is the thing. Now what I will do is, now regarding this splitting the middle term, see, simple logic I'll say, this number 12 into 1 I did na. For example, beside this x square, whatever it is, you write x square. So 12 into 1x square will be 12x square. Now what I will do is, here minus 4 minus 3 at the place, what I will do, instead of 4 into 3 12, what I will do, I will write 4x into 3x, you will get 12x square, okay. And instead of minus 4 minus 3 to get this minus 7x, what I will do, this what you call minus 4x minus 3x. See, minus 4x into minus 3x, I'm multiplying, sorry, minus 4x minus 3x I'm multiplying. So what I'm doing is minus 4x minus 3x. If I do, whenever you have two same signs, what will happen? Addition will happen. Where I said here, see, like that. Okay, so minus minus, whenever there is no multiplication symbol, so like that. So two numbers, so it will become minus 7x, right? So what I will do is, this term, middle term, I will split. So x square you write as it is. So minus 7x I will write as minus 4x minus 3x and plus 12. Now take in these two terms, first two terms means these two terms, take x common. So what will happen? You will get x minus 4 minus and in these two terms you take this these two terms, okay, minus 3x. So you take minus 3 common, then minus 3 into x, if you multiply minus 3x you will get, and here plus 12 is there now. So plus 12, whenever you multiply minus inside, you have to take minus common. Why? Because minus 3 into minus 4 will give you plus 12. So in that way. Now see, whenever you are doing factorization, whether you got wrong or right, if you have doubt, once what you do, you check that in the brackets, whatever the term is there, x minus 4, you should get the same term. Now what you do, see, this x minus 4 out of these two I will take common, okay. So remaining, this x will come here, okay, this x will come here, and this minus 3 will come here. That's it. So the answer is x minus 4 into x minus 3 is the answer, okay. X minus 4 into x minus 3 is the answer here for that. So this will enclose in a box so that you can able to understand, okay, right. See, these are some of the basics. Some students even they are little confused whenever you have four numbers, means numerator and denominator, okay. And again, numerator and denominator means, what I am saying is, if the division is done by what 4 numbers, means what, for example, you have 4 numbers, for example 3 by 4 by, say for example 1 by 2 is there. Some students, what they will do, they are unable to do. Sometimes what will happen, like this also will be there. Sometimes 3, okay, 3 divided by, for example, 1 by 2 is there. What you will do if there is no 4 here? So that is the reason what I will do, I'll say it. See, whenever you have 4 numbers, say for example you have A, B, C, D, for example, A by B by C by D, for example, then what will happen? The numerator will be as it is, but the bottommost denominator will come to the top DC. So it will become ADBC. Same way here, this A by B 3 by 4 will be as it is, the bottommost denominator will come to the numerator, and so it will become how much? 3 into 2, 6, okay, 6 by 4 you can write actually, but anyhow, okay, you can cancel this afterwards, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, and you can write the answer 3 by 2, otherwise you can leave 6 by 4 also fine. Now in this case what happened here, there is no B, but it means that it is 3 beside a number nothing is there, means 1 is there. So this number will become like this, 3 by 1 into, okay, the bottommost number will come to the topmost numerator number beside it. So you will get like this. So you will get answer as 6. How much? 6. So like that. So this is the way you should do it. If at all in some more basics classes, some students will face difficulty in doing LCM, percentages, converting decimal into fraction into decimal, those all I will say. Okay, thank you.